Hi mga besh! Kamusta kayo? Welcome back to my vlog. It's your girl, Boots, and today's Sunday Day. Yup, Friday of today. And I'm taking this time para mag-chill and share with you kung ano nga ba ang kuracha moments ko as a single mom na nagtatrabaho abroad. Ano nga ba yung extra na pinagkakitaan ko? Gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo kung paano ko na-balance ang pagiging mom at paghahanap buhay at syempre ang extra kuracha part-time na moment natin. So come join today kasi ito na yung chance na magpapaka-real talk tayo. Okay, so kanina nga sinabi ko sa inyo na sideline day today and I want to give you a peek into a part-time work as a beautician. Alam nyo ba, I started this home service business kasi nga, simple, single mom, kailangan ko talaga maghanap ng extra way to earn. At ang nakakatuwa, all of my clients have been from recommendation. Mula sa colleagues ko na naging friends hanggang sa friends na naging loyal clients. Super thankful ako sa kanila kasi they're the ones who help my small sideline grow. Now, kung wonder kayo kung ano nga ba ginagawa ko, I offer hair dye, hair treatment, and haircuts. Yap, ang daming buhok na tinutulungan ko. But seriously, I love what I do kasi I get to help people feel confident and beautiful and at the same time, I'm making extra income. Yung gusto kong ipakilala naman sa inyo ang ilan sa mga clients ko. I work with clients from all over Cebu, Qatar, char. Super nakakatuwa lang because I feel such strong connection with them, not just a client but as a friend too. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo, sila lang naman yung amazing people that I work with. Hindi ko akalain na magiging part ako ng kanilang self-care journey. At syempre bago ako mapagod, pinakain nila ako ng bonggang-bongga. Ang sarap ng pagkain ng Tati Rose. Mga day, thank you so much. Satisfied ako sa pagkain nila kaya kailangan masatisfied din sila sa gawa ko. At kailangan maganda ang resulta. Of course, hindi madali mag-manage ng time. I mean, I got my mom duties, tapos may full-time job pa ako, tapos ito may sideline. Pero kaya ko. Kasi I know I'm working towards a better future for my kids and I get to do something I'm passionate about. So kung may mga single moms or may mga kabayan na katulad ko na naghahanap ng extra work, I say go for it. It's all about finding balance and managing your time. And syempre, finding something you love to do. Okay, kung tinatanong nyo, baka super kuracha na ako. Yes, medyo ganun na nga. Pero I still manage. Kung mapapanood nyo yung ibang vlogs ko, makikita nyo na kahit busy ako, nagre-relax din ako. Kasi as much as possible, I make time for myself. Kahit konting oras lang. Kailangan din kasi natin yun, di ba? Pero, let's be real. Why do I need a part-time? Bakit ko kailangan mag-extra hustle? Well, for starters, hindi talaga sapat ang sahod ko. Alam ko, maraming single moms and families na nakaka-relate dito. I have 3 kids, 2 sa kanila nasa college, and yung bunso ko is in senior high school. As in, malalaking gastos na. Di ba mga besh, kung may pamilya, may responsibility. At sa totoo lang, kung isa lang ang sahod ko, hindi talaga kakasya for all their needs. Tuition fee, project, and everything. At ako lang ang source of income sa pamilya namin. Literal na single mom. Kaya ito, ginagawa ko ang lahat para ma-sure ko lahat ng pangangailangan nila ay mabibigay ko. Kung minsan parang feeling ko super kuracha na ako, but seeing my kids working hard in school, it's all worth it. Kaya kahit na may moments na puyat and feeling pa-extra na, I push through kasi I know I'm doing it for them. Kasi at the end of the day, I want to give them the best future I can. And take note, hindi lang ito, minsan nagluluto din ako. Pili kayo butido, char. Para sa magtatanong, meron po akong certificate. I finished my training after 3 months dito sa Qatar. So, hindi lang kuracha, talaga pong pinag-aralan ko yan. Gusto ko lang i-share kasi maraming magtatanong kung paano ko nakuha yung skills ko for hair care. Ang training na ginawa ko was really hands-on and comprehensive. Kaya kung interesado kayo or gusto ninyong mag-enroll, ilalagay ko na lang sa description kung saan ako nag-training. Baka merong gustong mag-try. So, kung gusto ninyong mag-ship or mag-add ng skill na ganito, baka makatulong sa inyo. It's always great to learn something new and expand your option, especially kung may mga side hustle kang gustong pasukin. Kasi alam naman natin walang masama sa maghanap ng ways para magka-earn more and improve yourself. So if you're thinking about starting something new, whether it's beauty or any other field, go lang, it's worth it. So, ayan na guys, pagod na ang kuracha. Masakit na ang aking paa. That's all for today. My life as an OFW here in Qatar and a little peek into my part-time hustle. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me on my journey today.